Alright, gang, we here at Speed World. She gave me this little ticket, said I gotta go around the corner and fill this out with the tech, and they gonna check the car ride. So we finna do that right now. I told her this is my first time ever coming here. So I know I watch this event is usually called Whoop Ass Wednesdays. It's every Wednesday. So I guess we finna just fill this paper out and get in it. She said follow this thing all the way around, so once I get to where I'm going, I'll turn the camera back on, but I don't know what's going on right now, so once I get to where I'm going, then I'll be right back with you guys. We in the lanes, gang. GT Mustang, gorgeous newer body, Coyote. Got Robert out here with the AMG. Y'all make sure y'all go and check Robert out at Swiss Road Mafia. Make sure y'all go and check Robert out, Swiss Roll Mafia. My first two runs, I messed up completely. This run, I ran in manual and forgot to put the car in automatic. Before we go any further, I would like to ask you guys just to take 2 little seconds and smash up that like button, because when you like the video, it gives other people a chance to like the video. And if you've seen my videos before, then obviously this is not your first time coming here. So consider subscribing. I got some really good content. You should check it out. Thank you very much. This run I forgot to get in the power band before takeoff, so it was slow.
Go the left lane, no problem. Dang, that BMW SUV just ran 11.9. He has full interior. My buddy over here in the Beamer. Let's get this done. There you go. There you go. Get it. Get it. Oh, he spanked that Charger up, boy. That's what's up. Money's worth. Oh, BMW. Oh, it's an X5 or is it X5 or X6? Yep, X6. Okay, this is an X6. Okay, we saw one at Bradenton last Thursday. Or was it the street heat event? But whatever. Well, X6 is gonna hurt feelings. So we got this AMG C43. One of the very few Mercedes that comes out bi-turbo. So it is twin turbo. Check out his Instagram, GTR Rally. Also Swiss Roll Mafia. He's been running mid-12s. We have a BMW X6. And this thing runs high 11s, low 12s. So he's going to be hurting feelings today. Then we got this blown GTO.
Look at this super gang. My little SUV for the fast, right? I ain't looking at it. Damn, Kurt, how you ain't been looking at it?